Hi, this is Hannah Sumner, and I have something awesome I want to share with you today. Selling your home usually involves showing it, and sometimes that comes with an hour's notice, but sometimes less. These showings can feel stressful, but with a plan, we feel like we can reduce that stress and make showings quick and easy. Today we're going to talk about some things you can do to prepare to ensure that you've covered all of your bases. Here's a list of 10 things you can do if you have 10 minutes or maybe 20 minutes to prepare your home for that showing. Number 1, make your beds. Number 2, grab a basket, clear off all the clutter on your counters, the loose mail, the knickknacks, throw everything in that basket and take it with you on the way out. Number 3, empty all the garbage cans and take out the trash. Number 4, put out the nice towels. Number 5, quickly clean the toilets and close them. Number 6, wipe down the countertops with a damp cloth or wipe. Number 7, put all the dirty dishes in the dishwasher and turn it on if you have time. Number 8, put any dirty laundry in a laundry hamper, or if you have more, put it in the washer and store it there. Number 9, if you have a pet, please take it with you. And if it has a bed that it sleeps on regularly, take that with you as well. And number 10, when you leave, turn all the lights on. If you have time, maybe like an hour, we encourage you to vacuum all of the carpeted areas and sweep all of the hard floors. We also encourage you to sweep the front porch and the back deck. Prepping your home properly will really reduce any roadblocks or hesitations that a buyer may have when coming into your home. If you make a stunning first impression, it will quickly make your home rise to the top of your list, and you will probably make that sale. Just look below for a complete downloadable checklist that you can stick to your fridge or have on your counter, and you'll be ready and prepped for any showing that comes your way. More real estate buying and selling tips are coming soon. Thank you guys for watching.